Welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Zilliqa. What's the current price of the Zilliqa? What's the price changes occur in the Zilliqa? And especially in this video, I'm talking about the biggest mistake of the Zilliqa Holders. Be safe from loss and don't do this mistake. Absolutely, if you do this mistake, so you are in the loss, and if you don't do this mistake, so absolutely you are in the profit, friends. Keep watching this video, and I request all of you that if you are new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Now, friends, let's see the current price of the Zilliqa. In this time, price of the Zilliqa in the market as 0.136438 USD dollar is the current price of the Zilliqa. On the other side, if you look at the price changes occur in the Zilliqa, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, only the last 1 week price change as negative, except after the last 1 week the price change occur in the Zilliqa as going positive. And I think absolutely I'm very happy to see this kind of changes occur in the Zilliqa. I can't believe that this is a Zilliqa. Oh my god, they goes positive very highly, so I can't believe it, friends. Absolutely the price is going positive, friends. Let me show you, friends, the more details about the Zilliqa, and let's see the price chart of the Zilliqa. Absolutely, I really like this jump occurring in the Zilliqa. And the previous last 1 day the price change is going upward, and I hope that the Zilliqa will continue this kind of jumps throughout this whole month, friends. Absolutely, I'm really happy to see this kind of jumps occurring in the Zilliqa. I can't believe that there is a Zilliqa. Absolutely, the logo tells us that is a Zilliqa, friends. Anyways, if you look the 24 hours, the price changes occur in the Zilliqa positive 13.13% positive change occur in the Zilliqa, and the highest price is 0.147535 USD dollar is the highest price of the Zilliqa, friends. And friends, if you look the price changes occur in the Zilliqa, so what's going on? Oh my god. So as you can see here, the price is fast down for the daytime. That is the last what's going on in this time. Let me show, friends. Let's zoom it for a better understanding. Now at this time, a lot of holders doing a very big mistake, and they decide to sell Zilliqa at this time, especially the short-term investor. As you can see here, especially in this time, that is the last 1 day price chart as I show you in the start of this video. Now in this time the price is fast down, friends, as you can see here. So a lot of holders decide to sell Zilliqa at this time. But it's an absolute, you can see here that the last 1 day pricing is going positive, last 1 hour pricing is positive. So that means that the Zilliqa start moving upwards. So why you decide to sell Zilliqa? Absolutely, now they start moving upwards. So it's time to make a profit with the Zilliqa, friends. So please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. It's time to hold, not to sell, friends. Anyways, what's your opinion? What's your prediction about Zilliqa? Please also share in the comment box. And kindly friends, don't forget to subscribe if you stay channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.